Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we are going to temper some white chocolate. We'll turn on the machine and then I'm going to select white chocolate from the main display. And then I'm going to add in the chocolate that I want to melt, and I'm using 400 grams of white chocolate. This is Calbo recipe number W2. This is the type of chocolate that I'm using, a very high quality Belgian chocolate. Once the chocolate has melted, the Chocovision tempering machine will start beeping and it will indicate that it is ready to have the seed added. So at this point, simply press the button and then add in your tempered chocolate. Once most of the chocolate has melted, the machine will beep again, indicating it wishes you to remove the unused chocolate. So you'll see that there's a little bit of chocolate that hasn't melted, so I'm simply going to remove that with my spatula. And then as you can see, I've removed all of that, and now everything in the bowl is in the final stage of tempering. So all we need to do now is wait for the machine to go into the final stage. You'll see it start beeping. Once it starts beeping, it will go green, indicating that tempering has been completed. In the upper left-hand corner, you will notice an icon that flashes red from time to time. This is indicating that the chocolate tempering machine is in heating mode. And now what I like to always do is do a tempering test. So I will use a clean spatula. You want to take a little sample of your chocolate and put it onto your spatula, and then you want to leave it and then put a timer on. My chocolate here was ready at 6 minutes. So you can see it here. I'm going to take a little knife and I'm going to scrape it, showing you that the chocolate is indeed tempered. So let's do another tempering test. I have a roll of food safe acetate. I'll cut a little piece off and then we'll simply paint on a little bit more of the white chocolate. By the way, this machine tempers white chocolate, dark chocolate, and also milk chocolate. And just for fun, let's use a brand new chocolate mold. So we'll load this one up as well. I'll just do a few cavities and we'll see how the chocolate turns out. So we'll get it all in. Give it a little bit of a tap, just to release the air bubbles and then clean off the top. So we'll let that set and then we'll check it out in a few hours. So here we are a few hours later. You can see the curve in the plastic. This is a good indication that your chocolate has been well tempered. Pull that off and you can see a little bit of a shine on the bottom of the chocolate as well. So into the fridge for 10 minutes just to chill the chocolate slightly, and then you'll see they all just pop out. And there we have it. I just zoomed in a little bit so that you can see how nice the chocolates are. When you're finished for the day with your chocolate, take your bowl of chocolate out of the chocolate tempering machine and then spread it out on a silicone mat and then let it completely cool overnight, and now you're ready for the next day. You can take this now and remelt it. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can always check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. All tutorials that you see on my YouTube channel are also on my Facebook page. If you're interested in the Chocovision Rev 2B chocolate tempering machine that I highlighted today, I'll put all of the links down in the description box below this video. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time.